newspaper. Aim of Nyaya Yatra is to wake up BJP government in Chhattisgarh. As the Congress Nyaya Yatra in Chhattisgarh culminated in Raipur on Wednesday, Congress leader Sachin Pilot said that the aim of the Yatra was to wake up the ruling state government as it has lost is its credibility. Sachin Pilot said it has been 9 to 10 months since this BJP government came to power, but looking at the situation in Chhattisgarh, we have to take out Nyay Yatra to wake up the government. Law and order situation has deteriorated. This government has lost its credibility very quickly. The government is not paying attention to the atrocities on women but is trying its best to suppress the voice of the opposition. He further said that the Congress Nyaya Yatra has received a very good response. In Chhattisgarh, the government is not paying attention to what happened in Baloda Bazaar. The increasing Naxalite incidents, our aim is that through this Nyaya Yatra, the government should become alert. This government is running from Delhi. There is no one to run the government from Raipur. There are multiple power centers here. The Yatra has a very good response. He added Congress had started their 6-day Nyaya Yatra on September 27 in Baloda Bazaar. The march aimed to highlight the alleged increasing crime rates in the state and seek justice for the people. Reacting to Prime Minister Narendra Modi's allegations that the Congress wants to crush patriotism of the country, he said that the party which has nothing to do with independence is taking out patriotism. Pilot said that party which fought for independence gave sacrifices for terrorism. Leaders like Indira Gandhi and Rajiv Gandhi sacrificed their lives, and the party which has nothing to do with independence is talking about patriotism. Why don't they talk about their performance in the last 10 years in Haryana? In Lok Sabha polls, we won 5 seats in Haryana, and in the assembly polls, we will win by 3/4 majority. He further said that BJP should clarify why did they change their chief minister. After 9 years of its rule, earlier Prime Minister Narendra Modi hit out at Congress and said that the party wants to crush patriotism of the country by propagating divisions on lines of caste and religion. Addressing a public rally in Haryana's Palwal on Tuesday, the Prime Minister said that Congress did not solve the problems of the country but established its own family. Congress kept every issue important for the country entangled. Congress did not allow Ram Temple to be built in Ayodhya. Congress did not allow the constitutions to be fully implemented in Jammu and Kashmir. They deprived our sisters of reservation in parliament and assembly. Congress kept our Muslim sisters entangled in the problem of triple talaq. Congress did not solve the problems of the country and its citizens, but instead used all its energy to establish its own family. I ask the entire country today. Congress has committed so many sins till today and it still dreams of performing the government. The BJP supporters are patriots. They devise plans to mislead the patriotic people. Congress wants to crush patriotism from this country by propagating casteism, confronting one community against another. PM Modi said Haryana will go to the polls on October 5 to elect its 90-member state legislative assembly, with counting set to take place on October 8. In the 2019 elections, the BJP emerged as the single largest party, securing 40 seats while Congress won 30 seats. Thank you guys for watching this.